Hey gamers, how you all doing? Welcome back to App Guide. So today I'm going to show you how you can create a Genshin Impact account. It's a very simple process. Watch the video till the end and follow the simple steps. First thing you want to do is open your browser and search Genshin. Then go to the first link, which is their official website. Then tap on the official website button. Here on the top right corner, you will see an option to log in. Tap on that. Down on the right bottom, you will see an option to register now. Tap on that. Now put in your email address. Now you'll receive a verification code to that email, so tap on the send code button and wait for the code to arrive on your email. Here you need to verify. Once you're verified, they'll send a code to your email. Wait for that code. Now put in that code. Now create a password for your account. Confirm the password. Then tick this box to agree the terms and conditions and tap on register. That's it, you have registered your account and you will be directly signed in. So that will be it for today's video. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video with some new information. Goodbye.